Hi, welcome to Encarus. Today we are gonna learn how to create a launch template. Launch template is basically a way in which you specify all your instance properties such as PEM file, security group, type of instance, AMI or AMI ID, user data, and also you can customize it for a spot type also. It's like if you want to go for spot pricing. Okay, first of all, let's create a security group. I've created one security group with, okay, my security group has an inbound rule on port 22 and port 80 because I'll be adding a user script of how to install HTTPD there. Okay, now let's create launch template. Let's name this temp, launch template 1. Okay, let's name this demo template for my AWS. Okay, will not be adding auto scaling now. You can add auto scaling also, but now we'll not be adding any auto scaling here. And okay, let's select our AMI ID. AMI is Amazon Machine Image. Like they are constantly being changed or they're being updated. So we'll go with Amazon Linux to AMI. It's under free tier. Like it's a quick start AMI, not free tier. Free tier is the instance type. And under instance type, you can select T2 micro. They come under free tier, 750 hours per month, or otherwise you can compare instance type and you can select them depending on that. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's go cancel here. Come, you can and key pair here. It's better you have your you can create a new key pair or just select anyone like any one which you have here. Okay, let's select our default VPC only and security group. Let's set the one which we have created for launch template SG. It's in 1FF66162 VPC, and this is the default storage volume here, which automatically selected when we are selecting the T2 micro instance type. You can increase it if required. You can increase this. Let's to make this 12 gigs. You can delete on termination. GPU2 if you can IOPS, you can go for higher instance size. You can add a new volume if required be. As you know, we can have multi volumes on an EC2 if you did not know. And let's name our instance. Let's name this L, LT1 instance. Let's just, okay. Any network interfaces, like if you want to add any other connections, otherwise just ignore this. And this is the one of the important one is spot instance. If you select in spot instance, you can customize them for a maximum hourly charge. You can select them like if you see here, you can have credit specification, EBS optimized. You can select other information also. I'll show you customized options for those. You can select the maximum price per hour, like how much do you want per hour those instances to be like incur. You can say IAM profile, like all those values which we give while creating an spot request. Let's not do spot request. Okay, and now I'll just give a user data, so we know that it worked, right? How do we know like whether it's like we are passing this user data which will automatically install HTTPD and it will start it and it will give us its hi from host name, whatever it is there. Now let's do create launch template. That's it. Now I'll just show you how to. Now as you see, we do not have any instance. We come to a launch template. You just select here and you can come here, launched instance from template. How many instances do you want to launch? I want to launch one instance. That's it. If you want to configure any last minute changes, nothing I need to do. Launched instance. That's it. It's done. This is how easy it is to configure your like launch instances. Now, okay, let's see. Let's refresh this. Yeah, one instance is being launched and it's being named to LT instance one. Okay, let's do, and you can version them. Versioning is very important. Like suppose, okay, let's modify or create a new revision, and this revision, what I'll do, I'll just change this my host, my this value here. Let's write this. Let's nothing. Let's not write anything. So what it happens is it will just display it works. Like it works is the proper value it will display. Okay, this is the okay. Now while you can select here launch instance from template. Now which version you want to like launch? I want to launch version 2. How many instances you want to launch? I want to launch one instance, and then let's name this 2 here. So that okay, nothing to see. Launch instance from template. That's it. See, we did not have, and every time we did not have to worry about our AMI ID and all. It's all configured. So like all those values are prefixed. Now let's copy this. Okay, let's open only. Let's change this to HTTP. See, hi from IP. Yes. And let's refresh this. We'll have the same thing on the other instance also. And if you see on the other instance, yeah, this is also running. Let's open this. Let's change this to HTTP. It will just display it works. Okay, just a sec. I think the script is being run now. It's initializing. Okay, I think the script is being run. Let's skip at it. Okay, it works on this. Here, let's just give it a few more seconds. Yeah, if you see, we have a test page of HTTPD server. This is the like way. Now I can just like anytime. Let's just terminate these. Now I just want to launch an instance. I'll just come here. You can have multiple templates with various AMI IDs with various customization, either for Spot or not. You can create versions of them. And this is how you use them. Okay. And if you like me to make videos on any other topic, please do mention that in comments.